Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah of Sarah Mack Art, and today we are going to do a galaxy pour, and I have 9 colors. Some of these colors I have are Arteza's Prussian Blue, Arteza's Pearl Sky Blue, Arteza's Pearl Sea Green. I have Amsterdam's Permanent Blue Violet, and I have Arteza's Pearl Golden Hour. I also have a white mixture. Let me see here. Good Lord, I don't even know what this is called anymore. I think it's a rose quartz, sorry, by Extreme Sheen, as well as their Peridot and 24K Gold. And I need a little bit of Floetrol with that. So we're gonna add a little while we're here. Let's see. Just a smidge, that'll do it. I added more paint to what was existing in there. So now I just have to mix it in to the existing, and there it is. All right, so those are the paint colors I'm using. I'm making a mess over here. I'm gonna bring in my torch, and I'm out of pouring cups, so we're gonna use a measuring cup. And what else? I think that's it. All right. So we're gonna start off with, let's start off with Golden Hour. I'm gonna pour it in on this side. And I'm only gonna need about 18 ounces, and I'm going to put in some of the gold, and that'll be all. And white. Let's come in with the Prussian Blue. Let's hit it right from the beginning. And Arteza's Sky Blue, Pearl Sky Blue. I come in with a little bit of the pink quartz. And their Pearl Sea Green. Fun with colors. So I got the itching to paint this morning, and here we are. So let's go down the line of all the colors. Come in with some white. And I think that is about all we're gonna do. Maybe one more little splash of the sea green. And purple. More than enough paint, but that's okay. I like more than enough paint. All right, so we're gonna do the rest of my white here in the middle. Put that cup over there. And we are going to pour. I love that golden hour at the end. So I think what I'm gonna do is rotate this. I'm really loving what's in here. And I thought about wrecking it, but I'm not going to, I don't think yet. All right, we're just gonna leave it right here. And I'm gonna try and rotate this just a smidge more. And back to the middle. So now I'm gonna rotate this one more time because I always go to the top left usually, and that's where we're gonna start. I'm gonna come right down to this bottom area and then go back up. I'm gonna come off this area in the corner. You know, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I do love the colors in this, but it's not exactly what I was hoping for. Just getting my corners there. I love where the gold is in here. I'm gonna come in with this to add some color over here because there's some beautiful paint left over in there. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm not crazy about this area, so I think I'm gonna bring a stripe through there. We'll see how it goes. Let it right on down. Okay guys, so minus the light, sorry about that, but I love the details in this. And look at the gold here. It's kind of hard to catch it, but it is there. I'm really looking forward to this piece drying. I'm definitely gonna walk away and leave it be. I love the details added in here. It sort of brings the golden hour yellow, the pearl by Arteza, in with the rest of the composition, so I kind of like it. Thanks so much for joining me today. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.